Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add your favorite shows and movies to your favorite list on Tubi. It's super easy and convenient, so let's dive right in. First, open the Tubi app or website. If you don't have an account yet, make sure to sign up or log in. Once you're logged in, you'll be on the Tubi homepage where you can see all the popular movies and TV shows. Now let's find a show or movie that we want to add to our favorites. You can use the search bar at the top or browse through the categories. For this example, I'm going to search for Modern Family. Once you've found the show or movie you like, click on the title to go to its detail page. On the detail page, you'll see a button that says Add to my list or Add to favorites. Simply click on that button and voila, it's added to your favorites. And that's it. Now you can know how to add your favorite shows and movies on Tubi. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching and happy streaming.